Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Fundbox within ERP platforms. Are you looking to supercharge your ERP system with embedded financing? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Fundbox into your ERP platforms for seamless business credit access. Let's get into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to choose your ERP platform. Now, Fundbox can be integrated into major ERP platforms like NetSuite, QuickBooks Online, Xero, and others that support API extensions or plugin. So next, you're going to access the Fundbox developer portal. Just head over to developers.fundbox.com and you can explore API documentations, especially the OAuth, customers, and the draw endpoints. Next is to authenticate your ERP users with Fundbox. So implement OAuth flow to let your ERP users to securely connect to Fundbox. This allows your platforms to access credit availability and of course transactions data. Next is to embed financing in key ERP modules. Now, accounts payable, which of course lets business finance outgoing payments. Accounts receivable, which of course offers invoice financing to smooth out cash flows. And you have vendor payments, which enables draw requests when paying suppliers. Next is to automate financing options. So use ERP transaction data to trigger Fundbox loans offers contextually. For example, you can offer credits when a large invoice is due or a payroll batch is pending. Next is to track Fundbox activity in ERP. You can synchronize draw activities, repayment schedules, and credit availability in real time. Display this data inside ERP dashboard for full finance visibility. With Fundbox inside your ERP, your users gain a powerful tool to manage liquidity, which directly from the system that they already use without having to go into other systems. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.